Yeah, this is Super Tuesday, I believe the 3rd of March here in northeast Texas. Had another battery that went weak on me up there at my farm. Drug it down here. Wife got me this real fancy battery charger for Christmas. It's in the recondition mode. Instructions say it'll recondition for 24 hours, then go to charge. So anyway, we'll see how that works. Dark, hard to see. That's an ornamental pear tree. Got the little flowers on it. Wife and I went to Walmart, and the panic buying has done set in over the damn coronavirus here in northeast Texas. We're pretty well set. We got over 150 pounds of various proteins in the deep freeze. Fuel wise, I've got 100 gallons in the bed of my truck for diesel, another 300 gallons at the farm, and assorted pieces of equipment. Not concerned about that at all. But bagged rice, the shelves are pretty well empty. Rubbing alcohol, shelves are pretty well empty. Hand sanitizer, shelves are pretty well empty. Did have plenty of toilet paper though, but we don't need any. And of course, I'm coming from a military background. I spent a lot of years in the Navy. Just if anybody's interested, basic survival food: a cup of dried rice, a cup of dried beans, cooked of course, a couple tablespoons of cooking oil to lubricate your innards, and 2 cans of tuna. That will keep you alive and in functioning health indefinitely. And get your vitamins and everything else as supplements. People can get by with very little if you really work on it and think about it. So who knows what's going to happen if the poop hits the fan. We're fine. I ain't worried about nothing. The economy's worrying me, but nothing I can do about it. Yeah, got dark, really can't see nothing. Anyway, I'm anxious to see how my new battery charger works out. It hasn't faulted out or anything, so it should do pretty good. So that's all for this one. Thank you.